Hi there, my name's Connor McCausland. This morning we're outside of King's College and I'm going to be performing my original piece, You're There, for the campus sessions. The piece is just kind of about when an opportunity arises and it doesn't quite go as you'd hoped. I hope you enjoy. You're there! No, not there! Not at that stupid shop asking people if they want a bag with their shopping. Any other day, yes, you would be there, but this isn't any other day. This is a different kind of day. You knew that when you woke up this morning, when you stared at yourself in the mirror for what felt like hours, really assessing everything. I'm sure that's healthy, but look, that doesn't matter right now. As you aimlessly wander that car park, you feel it. This morning, you feel it. The excitement, you can't keep it in. It's why you're there so early. When you got that call, you thought it was just another message in the old group chat. Yet another out-of-date meme from a person that officially you consider a friend, but unofficially, you'd rather you weren't. But that doesn't matter, because you're there. Whenever they called you, you didn't care that it was so last minute, but it meant you had to cancel plans, that you had to buy an expensive last minute coach. It's an opportunity unlike no other. You can't pass it up. So, you get your coach ticket, 50 quid, and you're expecting a luxurious journey. Of course, it's just another bog standard coach with a bog standard alcoholic at the back arguing with himself. But hey, the driver, he offers you a biscuit and you take that for what it is. Before you know it, you're on set, on location, cameras lighting galore. You're surveying the area, hoping to see someone you might recognize. On the outside, you're sure you're playing it cool, professional, but then you start to panic. You realize maybe you look a little bit too anxious, you need some coffee, but before you know it, someone's coming up to you, they want to speak to you. So you try to calm down, you go to speak, but the anxious nodding just begins. They speak back to you, but you can't get anything out. They direct you on. They were polite, but also dismissive. Never mind that. You know, it's a busy industry, you let it slide. You're going to the green room. You've read about this. It's an exciting place where you can chill out and chat with people. Get some R&R. You don't know what R&R stands for, but you know it's exciting. But when you get there, you expect to see a room aghast with people, all equally excited and equally unable to suppress it. But instead, all you see is a horde of people angled with just the dim lights of their phones illuminating their faces. Where's the chatter? The excitement? This isn't what you expected. But you let it slide. You say, when someone comes and tells me what I'm doing today, it'll all go okay. But you look in the corner at that clock, and time speeds by. No one's coming. So you join the horde. You take part. You get your phone out. You start that endless scroll. You tell yourself, it's okay. You're doing what everyone else is. You're keeping that excitement in. But the trouble is, it was inevitable. You knew you were going to start that scroll, and frankly, you're not excited anymore. Eventually, the surrounding figures, they start to fade, moving on to exciting places like wardrobe and catering, places that you're waiting to be. But you're not going there. You've waited 24 hours, let alone 24 years to go those places, but no one's coming to get you. Eventually, an assistant comes to give you the bad news. You know what you want to say, but you don't. You can't. You just nod. That inner excitement, it's gone. You're now just still and silent. The ever-growing imagination of all the fun stuff you'll get up to, it's gone. It's dead. Before you know it, you're back there again, where you always were, where you were always meant to be. Would you like a bag with that?